What is a netlist in electrical circuit simulation software? Imagine trying to understand a complex machine just by looking at its parts. Now picture a simple list that tells you how each piece connects and works together. That's what a netlist does for electronic circuits. It's like a detailed recipe that describes every component and how they link through connection points called nodes or nets. This list is essential because it tells the simulation software exactly how the circuit is wired. Without it, the software wouldn't know how to analyze the circuit's behavior. When electrical engineers design circuits, they often start with a schematic diagram. This diagram shows all the parts like resistors, capacitors, transistors, and integrated circuits visually. But to run simulations, the software needs a text-based description of those connections. That's where a netlist comes in. It translates the visual schematic into a structured text file that lists each component by name, along with the nodes they connect to. It also includes details like component values or models, which help the software predict how the circuit will perform in real life. Different types of netlists exist depending on what they're used for. Some are physical netlists, which show actual physical connections, while others are logical, focusing on how signals flow rather than physical wiring. Flat netlists list every connection in one big list, which is simple but can get very long for complex circuits. Hierarchical netlists organize connections into modules or blocks, making it easier to work with large designs. Many simulation tools like SPICE use specific netlist formats, which are compatible with other design tools and help streamline the entire design process. Most netlists are generated automatically by schematic capture tools in electronic design automation software. When engineers draw a circuit, the software converts that drawing into a netlist file. This file is then used by circuit simulation software to check if the design works as intended before building a physical prototype. Accurate netlists are vital because mistakes can lead to incorrect results or even hardware failures, which can be costly to fix later. Netlists are also used in printed circuit board layout, where they define the connections that routing software must follow. This makes understanding and managing netlists a key skill for electrical engineers. It helps ensure that the final product functions correctly and is reliable. So, in the world of circuit design and simulation, a netlist is like the blueprint that guides the entire process from concept to creation.